I don't know if I should do a little dance on the set or sing or what, but I'm so glad we didn't lose our power for 3 days again. I don't know what I would have done. I would have...
We lost it for 5 days last time. I think somebody did a rain dance before this storm.
I think so.
Sundance would be nice. Whoever's doing a Sundance, we're going to get that sun over the next couple of days. Let's watch the storm, though, move through Northern California. It is just about out of here, and we're all glad to hear that. Just a few scattered stray mountain snow showers left over. To the west, we got some clearing heading our way tomorrow and over the next couple of days. Consistent rain this morning, turning into just widely scattered showers now. Still plenty of snow falling in the Tahoe area. All that's going to clear out tonight. An impressive storm, though, as far as rainfall totals. About 1 1/3" at Redding at the airport, 1 1/3" in Red Bluff, Chico 1.20. 20 inches of new snow in Chester today. About 1 inch of rain and snow mixed in Bernie. For you folks in Weaverville and Hayfork, mostly rain. Here, your rain totals 1.15 in Weaverville today. Corning, your high temperature 55 degrees, nearly 1 inch of rain. 1 inch of rain in Gridley, where your high was also 55 degrees. Rain and snow mix at Mount Shasta, 1.28 as far as precipitation. This storm, of course, brought more than rain. It was gusty winds. Here were the peak wind gusts this morning, 54 miles an hour in Redding this morning, 49-mile-an-hour winds in Red Bluff and in Chico, and it was about 46-mile-an-hour winds in Gridley. Let's take a look again at 1 mile, Bidwell Park, Chico Creek overflowing its banks this morning as we check out our current temperatures. Warmer, 52 in Chico, 53 in Red Bluff, 52 in Oroville, and 54 in Paradise right now. Back to the Pacific, where we do see our storm exiting our region. And once one storm exits, we like to look west to see what else is out here. Pretty impressive system brewing in the Pacific, but this one is going to run up against building high pressure. It's going to erode this storm and chase it north. It's really not going to bother us at all. Futurecast shows that with a few scattered showers tonight, turning to breezy and mostly sunny tomorrow. And check out Tuesday. Dare I say sunny and warmer? We like hearing that. Here's what our forecast looks like tonight for Northern California and tomorrow. Mostly sunny across the whole region. A few scattered snow flurries up in the mountains tomorrow. Temperatures back into the 60s in Sacramento, except for the coast, where it will be breezy and chilly at Fort Bragg, 54, and 53 in Eureka. As far as our northwestern mountains tonight, we're looking at a few scattered light showers tonight. Mostly sunny tomorrow. Temperatures back into the 40s, clearing skies for you. In the eastern mountains, a few snow flurries tonight, maybe a flurry or two tomorrow. Still chilly, but definitely sunny and warmer. Your temperatures mostly in the 40s. Tonight in the valley, we may get a raindrop or two here or there. Temperatures in the 40s, still a little bit breezy tonight. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and warmer. We like hearing that. I'll say it again in a moment. 60 degrees for most of us tomorrow. Long-range forecast does have the sun returning and temperatures into the mid-60s, which is closer to where we expect them to be this week. We do have a weak system, possibly for Friday or Saturday. I'll tell you, that one's really not much to talk about. What we do want to talk about, sunny and warmer this week.
All right, good news. Thank you, Mike. Eric Hodge standing by with a look at what's coming up during our Sportscast. Eric.